Have you been wondering how you can make your own pizza from scratch? Worry no more, I brought you the recipe. All you could do is just to follow the steps. Here is my homemade pizza. Here I use all-purpose flour. I added sugar, salt to taste, mixed herb, and instant yeast. This mixed herb is a combination of oregano, basil, and thyme. So these are optional, it's up to you. So I'll be mixing it with warm water. So I'll be adding my water bit by bit. So it's better so that you can control the amount of water you add in. This is very easy, you can make it on your own. All you need to do is to follow the steps. I'm adding my 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and I'll be mixing everything to well combine. So here I decided to use my hand to do the kneading. So it makes it more easier for me to fill the dough. So remember, if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. I'm greasing my bowl so that I can rest my dough for 20 minutes. I'll be covering it with my cling wrap and let it double in size. So remember, if today is your first time you're seeing my video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my page at Glatory Flavors. Here you can see it's ready to form my pizza dough. I'll be dividing it into 2 and I'll set one aside and I'll be using one for my pizza. Here I'm using my hand to flatten my dough on my tray. So feel free if you want to use the something else to flatten it, but I prefer to use hand. That's why it's homemade. So as you can see, it's almost ready. I'm using my fork to poke the dough to make it more airy. So I'll be putting my mixed tomato mix. This tomato mix is already mixed with a lot of ingredients, so these are optional, up to you how you want it to taste, so you can make yours. That's why homemade pizza is more yummy. You add whatever you want to add and you take out whatever you want to take out. So here I'm using my ham as my toppings. This is optional, you can choose to use vegetable. So but I decided to use ham and vegetable for my toppings. So I'm using my bell pepper for my vegetable toppings. In this pizza, I decided to make it a thick crust. So if you want it more thin, you have to make your dough more thin. But I want it thick crust. You can see already. So I'll be adding my mozzarella cheese to top it up before starting the baking. So I want more cheese for my pizza, so I added a lot of cheese, but this is optional. You can minimize the amount of cheese you add to it. So I decided to add more because I like it more cheesy. You can see I'll bake it for 20 minutes under 160 degrees Celsius. See, my pizza is ready, very cheesy, you can see already. Then I'll be cutting out some slices. So remember, if today is your first time you're seeing my video, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and follow my page at Glatory Flavors, and always like and love my video comment, and share. It has a long way encouraging me on this journey. You can see it's well set and very cheesy and so yummy. Hope you'll get to try this. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Follow me for more videos. Thank you and bye.